where some BSP MLAs decided to go and told the government that look, we are leaving, we are supporting the ruling party. Now suppose they leave, they don't form the 1/3, right? So they get disqualified. Now how do you avoid the disqualification? Along with 13, 7 more people joined them and said that look, we are now 13 plus 37. We are more than 1/3 of the total strength of the BSP, and therefore there is no split as far as the schedule is concerned. What did the speaker do? He said that since now there are more than 13 plus 37, 50 people, I don't need to go into the disqualification. So he kept on postponing deciding on the disqualification. Now this is the most common feature where no decision is taken within any time limit. Finally, Justice P.K. Balasubramanian said that not deciding on disqualification is an abdication of the speaker's duty. It is no concern of his whether their illegal act has been subsequently whitewashed or made valid because of the other people. He should have gone into disqualification and decided the matter. And what is most important is, by the time the matter came to the Supreme Court, the High Court also had delayed the matter. The Supreme Court says the High Court should not have been tardy. And then when the matter comes up, the members have only that particular assembly has only a few months to go. So Supreme Court takes upon itself and says, there is no point going back to the speaker. We here and now disqualify those members. It is a judgment of 2007 that merits reading. Now, the other point of the 10th schedule which you should read is the minority view in Quixote Holoan. All of us have heard of Quixote Holoan. It's a very interesting name which you can't really forget, Quixote Holoan. As you know, in that judgment, paragraph 7 said the decision of the speaker is final and will not be amenable to judicial review. This was taken up, and Quixote Holoan held that para 7 violated the basic structure because judicial review and judicial independence are part of basic structure. They struck down judicial 7. In fact, if you see the history of basic structure, majority of the cases have been struck down only because of taking away of judicial review. So anyway, what is important is the minority judgment of Justice Verma. Justice Sharma and Justice Verma were in the minority. Justice Verma goes into the pack in great detail and says, this question of making the speaker's decision final is absurd. He is a member of the ruling party. How do you expect him to be independent and unbiased? He says you go to the elementary principles of administrative law, and he quotes the Latin maxim